You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. A member of a Greek dynasty or dynasty ruling Syria. If you want to learn more confusing related vocabulary, stay tuned. The most common pronunciation in English is most certainly as Seleucid. Seleucid. But it is also correct and accepted to say it as Seleucid, alright? The Merriam-Webster dictionary does reference this other pronunciation as also correct. So if you've been saying Seleucid, it's not incorrect. It's more common to say Seleucid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.